Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to share blogger post on Telegram. So in this case, I want whenever a new post is posted on my blogger account, automatically that post should be shared on my Telegram account as well. So to automate this entire process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be Blogger and our action application will be Telegram. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here we are going to learn that whenever a new blog is posted on my Blogger account, automatically that post should be shared on my Telegram group as well. So here to automate this entire process, we need to connect our Blogger account to our Telegram account. And here to build this connection, we are going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now here you can see the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create workflow button which is given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as share blogger post to Telegram. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name share blogger post to Telegram. And here you can see the two most important principles of your workflow, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as blogger and my trigger event as new post added, so that whenever a new post is posted on my blogger account, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. And now to connect my Google Blogger account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your blogger account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And here I'm going to click on this continue and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. And now after building the successful connection, moving forward, and here it is asking me to select my blog ID. So here to select the blog ID, let me take you to my blogger's account. And here in my blogger account, you can see on top left corner, my blog ID is my blog. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to select my blog ID as my blog. So now after selecting the blog ID, moving forward, and now here it is asking me to select the status. So here for the status, I'm going to select only live, so that only the posts that are live on my blogger's account should be captured by Pabbly Connect. So now after selecting the blog ID and the status, I'm going to create a new post on my blogger account. So for that, let me take you back to my blogger account. So here in my blogger account, I'm going to click on this add new post. And here I'm going to give a title to my post, that is what is automation. So this is my title. And now I'm going to add a description for my post. So here I've added a description for my post, and now I'm going to add an image in this post by simply clicking on this insert image button. Upload from computer. Here I'm going to click on this choose files. And here I'm going to select an image that I've already downloaded in my PC. Here I'm going to click on this select. And then I'm going to choose a layout, size is medium and alignment is none. And now I'm going to click on this OK. So now here you can see we have successfully added an image. So here we have successfully created a post where we have given the title, description and the image. And now we are going to publish this post by simply clicking on this publish button. Confirm. And here you can see we have successfully posted a post with the title What is Automation? So now let's go back to our Pabbly window. And here I'm going to click on the Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see Pabbly Connect has captured a successful response where we have received the URL of the post, updated date and the title as What is Automation. And also we have received so many other details such as image URL, content, blog ID and other details. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. Here I'm going to select my action application as Telegram bot and my action event as send a text message or reply, so that whenever a new post is added on my Google Blogger account, automatically that post should be shared on my Telegram account as well. So now to connect my Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Telegram account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking for a token. So here, following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Telegram account, and here we are going to create a new bot by simply searching for the bot father. So this is the bot father. So here I'm going to select it, and now after selecting the bot father, here I'm going to click on the start. And here you can see we have received some commands for controlling the bot father. So here we need to create a new bot. So for that we are going to type this command, that is /new bot. And here you can see it says alright, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So here I'm going to choose a name, that is new blog. It says good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in bot like this. For example, Tetris bot. So here we are going to choose a name for a bot, that is Pabbly Integrations 222. And here you can see we have successfully created a bot, and in this message we have received a token of that bot. So we are going to copy this. Moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to copy the token. So now after entering the token, here I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and now here it is asking for chat ID. So for that, let me take you back to my Telegram account. So now here to build a chat, we are going to activate our bot by simply clicking on this link. So this is our bot. So here we are going to activate this by simply clicking on the start button. So with this, we have successfully activated our bot. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to create a group with this bot by simply clicking on this new group button. Here I'm going to add some members. And lastly, here I'm going to add my bot, which is named as new blog. And now I'm going to give a name to my group, that is new blog alerts. And here I'm going to create a new group. And here you can see I have successfully created a new group with the name new blog alert. And after creating a group, here I'm going to do another very important step, that here I'm going to create my bot as an admin, because only admins can send a message here. So here I'm going to use my phone and create the admin as a bot. So I have successfully created bot as an admin. So to show you that, I'm going to click on this profile icon. And here you can see I have successfully created the bot as admin. So moving back. So now after creating this group successfully, here you can see we have received a chat ID on the URL. So here we are going to copy this chat ID after the hashtag. Moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to enter the chat ID. So now after adding the chat ID, moving forward, and now here it is asking for the text message. So here I need to enter the message which I want to send on my Telegram group on my new blog post. So this is the message which I want to send, which says, hello my blog family. I have posted a new blog today. Please go and check the link given below, that are title and the post link. So here I've left the values for the title and post link blank, because here instead of entering these details manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my Google Blogger account. Mapping makes a text dynamic, so that whenever a new post is added on my Blogger account, automatically this previously existing details will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the title, and here I'm going to map the URL for the post. So here I'm done mapping the data. Moving forward. And now here it is asking for message thread ID and reply to message ID. So here these fields are not a required field. So here I'm going to leave it blank. But you can add all the details as per your need. Moving forward. Here for the disable notification, I'm going to select no. Disable web page preview, no. Allow sending without reply, no. And here for the pass mode, I'm going to select HTML. Moving forward. Again, this button label and button URL is not a required field. So here I'm going to leave them blank. And now after entering all the required data, here I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. So now let's go and check our Telegram group. And here you can see we have successfully received new alert on our group which says, "Hello my blog family, I have posted a new blog today. Please go and check the link given below. Title, what is automation, and the post link." So here I'm going to open this link for you. And here you can see it has taken us to the blog with the title, "What is automation," and the same description and the same image. So with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we need to create a new post in our Blogger account. And for that, let me take you back to my Blogger account. So here we are going to create a new post by simply clicking on this Add New Post button. And here I'm going to give a title to my post, that is World of AI. And here I'm going to add a description for my post. So here I've added a long description for my post. And now I'm going to add an image on my post by simply clicking on this Insert Image button. Upload from computer. Choose files. And here I'm going to select an image that I have already downloaded in my PC. Select. Here I'm going to choose a layout, medium, center. And here you can see we have successfully added an image. So here we have completed this post. And now I'm going to publish this post by simply clicking on this Publish button. Confirm. And here you can see we have successfully published a post with the title as World of AI. So now let's go and check our Telegram group. Here I'm going to refresh this window. And here you can see after refreshing this window, we haven't received a new blog alert. That is because here the Google Blogger is a pooling based application. That means it will capture the new response under 8 hours. So here to receive a response, let's wait for some time. So it's been some time. So now let's go and check our Telegram account. And here you can see we have successfully received a new alert for the blog which says, "Hello my blog family, I have posted a new blog today. Please go and check the link given below. Title as World of AI and the post link." So here I'm going to click on this link. And here you can see it has taken to my blog with the title World of AI, the same description and the same image. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Google Blogger and our action as Telegram bot, so that whenever a new post is added on a Google Blogger account, automatically that post should be shared on our Telegram account as well. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clue link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.